It can irritate the heck out of your skin and your eyes. It can lead to excessive shedding. You can get some damage. Like it's just not worth it. Hey YouTube, what's going on? Super excited for this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. I'm a cosmetic chemist specializing in natural hair care and the creator of this amazing channel called Chemistry, where I help you guys understand your hair and ingredients all from a cosmetic chemist perspective. And I also help you guys buy hair care lines as well. And today I am sharing 5 things as a cosmetic chemist I would never, catch the face, never, refuse to put on my hair. Okay? Let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I would never put on my hair is baking soda. And I know baking soda is used in the DIY community as a way to deep cleanse the hair and the scalp, but I would never do it because there is a hydrophobic layer on our cuticle called 18-methyl-eicosanoic acid. And this layer promotes our hair strength / integrity. It promotes the protein moisture balance for our hair, which is pretty fragile on its own. And then on top of that, it promotes moisture retention and it prevents breakage. Now here's the thing about 18-methyl-eicosanoic acid. It can get disrupted by alkaline ingredients. Ingredients that have a high pH, such as baking soda. So yeah, you're cleansing your hair all right. You're removing the oils, but sometimes there are some oils, some lipids you do not want to remove. And that happens to be one of them. And once this layer gets removed, you're going to see an increase of frizz, dryness, swelling of the hair fiber, high growth fatigue, dull hair, breakage, split ends. The things we don't want, obviously. So that is why I would never put baking soda on my hair. Okay, number 2, the second thing I would never put on my hair, and this is probably like the worst thing you can probably do to your hair is a combination of getting a relaxer and permanent color or bleaching done on the same exact day. I would never do it. Never, because what happens is with that combination, you are degrading the amino acids that make up the integrity and the strength of your hair. You guys know our hair is made up of keratin, and keratin is made up of amino acids. And when you have a chemical, an ingredient that can degrade these amino acids, that's leading to increased porosity, which can lead to hygrofatigue, where your hair absorbs too much moisture, but it doesn't retain that moisture, and into dryness and breakage. It's literally like a ripple effect. And have you ever seen those TikTok videos where someone did some crazy bleaching and their hair is literally like coming like apart, like just like so mushy? And because all that protein, those amino acids are pretty much done for. They're like on their last leg. So I would never do relaxing / bleaching / permanent coloring on the same day. Okay, number 3, the third thing I would never put on my hair is bar soap. Now this was a thing at one point. People were washing their hair with like Dove soap and bar soap just to, I don't know why, but listen, I would never, because bar soap is too anionic. It's too anionic, meaning the cleansing surfactants within bar soap are too harsh for our hair. It's pretty much going to strip the hair way too much. Now your traditional shampoo will have cleansing surfactants within it, but a good shampoo, especially for our hair, is going to be moisturizing. It's going to have mild cleansing surfactants. It's going to have some cationic ingredients, some amphoteric ingredients, you know, things of that nature are going to be in your traditional shampoo, and that is more compatible with our hair versus bar soap. And I talk a lot about this in the Natural Hair Care Wisdom flashcards. If you ain't got that ebook, y'all need to get it because it's that good. Okay, I break everything down for your hair type, and it's by porosity type too. So get your copy if you haven't already. Okay. Okay, number 4, the 4th thing I would never put on my hair are the liquid straighteners, like the Brazilian keratin straighteners, the keratin hair treatments. Some things. I would never do that because a lot of times they do have some formaldehyde related ingredients. Now, formaldehyde, I ain't gonna lie, few of the formaldehyde families, they are great sealers. They do a great job at smoothing the cuticle, hence the straightness that you're getting. However, it can irritate the heck out of your skin and your eyes. It can lead to excessive shedding. You can get some damage. Like, it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. So I would never do that. The risk is too high. You guys know formaldehyde is a no-go anyway. You know, you guys asked me what ingredient would you tell us to avoid formaldehyde and formaldehyde-related ingredients. Okay, and the fifth thing, number five, I would never put on my hair are drying alcohols like isopropyl alcohol and ethanol. All right, these are very drying to the hair. You may find them a lot in like sprays and maybe some leave-in sprays sometimes, which is very, very rare, but you typically find them in sprays. I don't like them because they are not fatty alcohols. You got fatty alcohols that are more of those emollients, those hair softening alcohols like cetyl, and you have your drying alcohols like isopropyl and ethanol. Those are entirely different. Those things will dry your hair out, and it can dissolve the oils on our cuticle. And you guys know how important our oils are. We need our oils. Well, this ain't my hair right here, but you know, we need our oils. We need our oils. Alright guys, if you've enjoyed this video and learned something new, for more curly chemistry content, be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell to stay in the loop for more curly chemistry content, and of course, as always, I have a question for you. Number one, what is your current favorite hair moisturizer? Like, what are you loving right now? Like, what is that moisturizer? Maybe it's a leave-in conditioner you're using as a moisturizer. What is that product? Comment below, let us know, and I cannot wait for the conversation with you. To learn more about your hair and ingredients from a cosmetic chemist perspective, check out the Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients in the Natural Hair Care Wisdom flashcards. These are amazing resources that I've created just for you to give you guys an advantage when it comes to this healthy hair care journey, because Lord knows it's a journey, okay? So to make it easier for you guys, I want to give you guys the best ingredients for your hair and your hair type, okay? So I have the link below and a promo code just for you as well. And if you're interested in starting a hair care line, no matter where you are in the world, you can book a one-on-one call with me, and I have a link below for you as well. All right, guys, I love you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.